LeMans here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 and 65 Pontiac GTO Tempest and LeMans dash pads by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. When it's time to replace your faded, cracked, or damaged dash pad, Original Parts Group has you covered. All the details are important, and that's why our reproductions of these models are down to the T. These are proudly made in the USA, and each dash pad features a urethane molded core for added stiffness and to provide all the correct contours and rigid inner structure. In the final stages of being manufactured, our 1964 dash pads are wrapped with the correct Seville grain style vinyl, while our 1965 dash pads are wrapped with the factory Madrid style grain ABS vinyl, just like the originals. All the factory colors are available and follow the same GM specifications with all the correct color dyes. The result is the finest reproduction dash pad on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.